of rugs losing their fluff? You're not alone. I've handpicked top-tier rugs that would completely change how you experience comfort at home. First up is the orphanie area rug. If you're looking for something straightforward and versatile, this one's a great choice. With its soft, velvety texture and durable non-slip bottom, it stays perfectly in place in any setting: bedroom, living room, or even a dorm. It features safe polyester materials and a comfy sponge interlayer, which makes it ideal for barefoot walking or even playtime with kids and pets. This rug's simple design effortlessly blends into just about any decor. Next, meet the area rug by Fairblink, perfect for anyone who wants a modern, design-forward look. Not only does it have a plush shag pile that adds a touch of luxury, it also comes in a Moroccan-inspired geometric pattern. This eye-catching design can serve as a statement piece in contemporary spaces. It's surprisingly durable, thanks to the reinforced weaving process, and pet-friendly to boot. Plus, the easy-to-clean material is a lifesaver if you have little ones running around. Finally, the Jonathan Y. Mercer Shag Tassel Rug brings warmth and coziness to another level. Its plush 2-inch pile feels fantastic underfoot, and the synthetic fibers help resist stains. This one is perfect if you have pets or kids, since it's designed for high-traffic areas and it won't shed. The subtle tassel detail on the edges adds an extra layer of style without overwhelming your room. Overall, it's a fantastic pick for those who prioritize warmth and easy maintenance. Whether you're after simplicity, modern flair, or that extra cozy factor, these rugs have you covered. Which design will you be choosing for your home? Don't want to waste hours hunting for the best finds? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.